welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Alongside with the leaked photos of the GoPro Hero 8 on the 14th of August, also photos of the next GoPro Fusion were published on the website photorumors.com. It seems the name Fusion will be dropped and it will be called the GoPro Max or maybe GoPro Hero Max. The dimensions seem to be approximately 6.5 by 7 centimeters. This means a reduction in comparison to the Fusion, which was 7.4 by 7.5. Not a huge reduction, but a little smaller. On the images you can also see a screen which looks like the ones on the back of the traditional GoPros. The Fusion only had a small LCD on the front to show some status information. Because the camera has this screen, I would admit GoPro wants to target it for a use as a 360 camera, but also as a normal GoPro, where you capture images in 180 degrees mode while being able to see what you are framing. This new screen will also make a simple touch interface, like the one on the Hero 7, possible on the Hero Max, and that would also be an improvement in comparison to the Fusion. One of the images shows the battery compartment open with a USB-C port and only one SD card slot. Again, here I see an improvement. The Fusion had 2 SD card slots, and each lens would generate separate files that had to be combined afterwards, making video editing more complex there. On the front and the back of the camera we can see what seem to be microphone grids. The same was visible on the images from the front of the Hero 8. It looks like GoPro may be using some kind of new microphones on this new generation of cameras. I also see that as positive, since there have always been some complaints about the sound quality, especially after the cameras got waterproof without the need for a case.